Hello everyone, you wanna see some fantastic AI generated art? Just keep your eye on this tutorial.
Now maybe you think, how I made this type of wonderful AI-generated art. Yes, guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing AI art generator. This is a completely free AI art generator. So to begin, I open a browser and share the AI art generator with you. Blue Willow is the name of a free AI art generator. This AI allows you to create free artwork with just one prompt. You can use this free AI art generator through Discord. To create AI artwork, we must first join the Blue Willow Discord server. So I click the Join the Free Beta button. This is the Blue Willow Discord server. You may generate AI art here. Some users are creating artwork using Blue Willow. Maybe now you think about how to generate art. Blue Willow Discord server can be used to create art. You may also use Blue Willow AI art generator on your own Discord server. Simply click on this bot and select Add to Server. To generate AI art. Now follow me, this is an important part of the tutorial. To generate an art, we need to use Imagine command with a prompt. Guys, look what a mind-blowing AI artwork. Guys, now follow me, I am generating some AI art with simple text. Now I like second art, so I select you too. Oh my god, guys. Too much pretty AI art. If you want to regenerate art with the same prompt, you can regenerate just by clicking the icon. Look, guys, regenerate successfully. Now I like this 4-number art. So I select you 4 to get this art. Look, guys, what an art. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends and family.